Hello students, hope you all are doing well. I'm Supreet Kaur, welcomes all of you on our YouTube channel Smart PTE Tricks. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for your love and support. And today I'm here to announce that now we are arranging our online classes again. For some circumstances, we were not arranging online classes and we got some complaints from all of you who are interested. But now we are arranging online classes on time, especially reading and speaking modules. And if you are interested, you can contact us on the number given below, as our contact preferences are changed now. And again, I would like to thank all of you from depth of my heart, because with your love and support we are reaching here. And keep supporting.
Today, let's delve into the enigmatic world of dreams, a fascinating subject that bridges psychology, neuroscience, and even philosophy. Dreams have always been a source of mystery, inspiring countless theories and interpretations. Dreams are not just random images, they are a complex interplay of our subconscious mind. Modern research suggests that dreaming can be a way our brain processes emotions and experiences, integrating them into our memory and learning. For instance, some theories propose that dreams help us solve problems or cope with stress. Additionally, the study of dreams offers insights into various sleep disorders and mental health conditions. By understanding what happens in our brain during different stages of sleep and dreaming, we can better address issues like insomnia, sleepwalking, and nightmares. In conclusion, dreams are more than just nightly escapades of our imagination. They offer a window into our subconscious, providing valuable insights into our mental and emotional well-being.
In the tapestry of human history, cultural traditions form the vibrant threads that bind us to our heritage. These customs are a gateway to understanding the diverse ways in which societies celebrate, mourn, and mark the passage of time. For instance, festivals around the world are not just spectacles of joy, they are profound expressions of communal identity and continuity. In parallel, traditional cuisines offer more than a feast for the senses, they are historical records on a plate. They tell stories of migration, trade, and innovation, shaping a nation's palate while reflecting its ecological and economic narrative. As university students, we stand to enrich our minds and souls by exploring these customs. Let us embrace cultural traditions as a means to foster global understanding and to weave the social fabric that connects us all.
In the realm of academic achievement, balanced nutrition plays a pivotal but often underrated role. Today, let's digest the truth about how what we eat affects how we think and learn. Firstly, nutrition directly impacts cognitive function. A balanced diet fuels the brain, much like quality gasoline powers a car. Complex carbohydrates, lean proteins, and healthy fats provide the energy that drives our focus and memory. Research from the Global Council on Brain Health confirms that a diet rich in nutrients improves attention and cognitive processing speed. Secondly, proper nutrition is linked to better academic outcomes. Studies have found that students who eat a nutritious breakfast perform better on exams. This is because nutrients like iron and vitamins B and D are essential for concentration and mental alertness. As we strive for academic excellence, let us not forget that our dietary choices can be as crucial as our study habits. Feeding our brains with the right foods can be the edge we need to excel in our university pursuits.
Carbon dioxide, or Colorado 2, is the main greenhouse gas in climate change. So how does CO2 get into our atmosphere? Well, carbon is part of a cycle. It starts with the sun, which heats the Earth's surface with more energy in 1 hour than the whole world uses in a year. Plants, which are kind of like biological chefs, take that sunlight, and then suck in some CO2 from the air, mix them together, and bam! They create a stored form of energy, in the form of carbohydrates such as glucose and sucrose. The process is called photosynthesis. When animals like us eat those plants, our stomachs convert that food back into energy for our own growth. Greenhouse gases are a byproduct of this process, and are released through waste. If those plants die, they decompose, and tiny microorganisms break down those carbohydrates and again, release greenhouse gases as a byproduct. As you see, energy originates from the sun. It is then transferred as it moves through the food chain. But sometimes, carbon-based organisms like plants or animals get stuck in the earth.
Take a look outside a window. What is the season where you are? How do you know? Most likely, you looked at a tree or plant and noticed details about its leaves and assessed the qualities of sunlight streaming outside. Observing the timing of biological events in relation to changes in season and climate is called phenology. When you notice the daffodil buds are poking through the snow and think spring is on its way, you're using phenology. When you see leaves turn from green to red, and watch migrating birds fly past, and realize that summer is over, autumn is here, you're using phenology. Literally meaning, the science of appearance, phenology comes from the Greek words pheno, to show or appear, and logos, to study. Humans have relied on phenology since the time of hunters and gatherers. We've watched changes in seasons to know when to plant and harvest food and when to track migrating animals. Scientists observe and document seasonal changes in nature and look for patterns in the timing of seasonal events. Timing of these natural signs has remained consistent until recently. Increasing global temperature is causing rhythms of nature to shift.